I am so sorry about that cut thingy. I didn't meant for it to happen. And I want Raymond. I don't want anyone else. I don't care about the silver trees. I don't care about the gold trees. Not even the brown. I don't care about the bronze trees, silver trees, not even the gold trees. Yes. Leaf ticket map. It's too expensive to play. Megan's map. I don't want her. Sid's map. That will remain. I don't know. Renee's. I don't know about that even. I just want Raymond. And as you can see, it is so expensive. I do have stuff that I don't want to sell yet. I do have this one that is very good on points, but I just don't want to. And this is what I get? Oh gosh. And look how much it is. I don't want any of your junk. Gosh. I am not refreshing it with my money. Either way, if I get a refresh, I don't want it. Because I want Raymond. I'll do whatever it takes to get Raymond. Can I have that reverse piece? In an exchange of this beautiful bed. For Daddy. Please. I can't even use this thing. Can I please? Well. What can I do for you, bucko? Get out of that piano. Please? Ah! You did what I said, but you gave it to Jay. Jay. No. Never mind. Come on. Please? Again, come on, please. Please, can you give me it? Can... Yes, working out so much. For getting this piano. Give me the gosh darn piano. Ugh. I feel sad. I didn't want that emote. What the hey? I don't feel proud of myself. I feel like this is the worst place to settle down on your vacation. But what the? Seriously now. I am terrified to death. No. Could you please give me the piano for a second? I'll give you a snack in reward. Eh? Come on, please. I don't care. Half pipe. What the heck? Ah, come on. Please. I don't care. I suppose I'll help. Skateboard wreck. Are you kidding me? I don't like it, but okay. Are you? I give you a reward. What do you want from me, Jay? That's it. That's it. I'm moving it. Now, will he go there? I wonder. I wonder. Very much wonder. What the? What? Alright, this is not the full on. But Jay, please. Are you kidding me, Jay? Oh gosh. Oh. Look. Oh gosh. Please, just let me have it. Please, just let me have it. Please. I just want it. Please. 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 Oh, bros. Oh gosh. Can I just have it, Jay, please? I give up. I give up. Jay, you're making me so sad. Jay, I don't want you anymore here. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. I don't want you. Get out of here. Send home. Send home. Bye-bye, Jay. Oh, bye-bye. I send you home, Jay. I hope you never come back. I don't want you here. You baka. That took me some time. I am not a fan of you, Tex. Bunches crunch cookie, yes, blah blah blah, 80 days left, ma. Beautiful, I guess. But I don't want to get a memory. I only got Jay's memory, which I seriously don't like. Who's using it? Who's using it? Teddy, you can use it. I'm fine with that, Teddy. You are very cute. That's why I'm letting you play it. Oh, by the way, Baldy, you shouldn't work out too much. You're gonna become like, you know who, Jay. I'm just gonna add him back. Teddy, don't. Ay. Host animal, I don't care. Oi, host animal. Confirm. Just time travel. Okay, now let's see. Goldie, you're using it now. What a lovely thing. And Daddy, please stop playing with the lamps. Before you were the only cooker. Now look at him. You were the best cooker. Why are you doing piano? Could you please cook food for your friends? And by the way, no one's using the... Oh. Sure, but I'm so happy you're using the coffee maker. Wow. It's been a while since someone used this. No. Stop making coffee. Cause Sherb made coffee. Aww. I love you. I love you so much, Sherb. You are my favorite character. I don't want Cookie though. If it can come to Pocket Camp. That depends. Let's see. Who watered my plants? Oh. Boop, boop, bop. Someone is updating the garden. Wow! Aww. Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, God, that was... Oh. She knows what I wanted. Aww. I love her so much. Nick. I know there's an all button, but I'm not using it. Boop. I don't want any seeds. Ugh. Yay, I can do this again. Yay. No. I need one more farmer's pepper. Ellie. Egg. Whoops. Nope. Nope. I don't want to use it all. I don't want to use all of my flower food. It's too much expensive. Oy, oy, oy. Mm. Do you need anything, Carjot?